Hello boss, this is Rita from Mickey World Auto Trading. Meet the BYD Seagull 2025 Smart Driving Edition. It's revolutionary, efficient, and packed with smart tech. See the hatchback boasts a blood and the dynamic design with the sharp LED headlights. Now let's step inside. Here is 20.8 touch screen and connected with the smartphone, equipped with level 2 autonomous driving. And here is the touch screen. It offers lane keeping assistant and adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, making every driver safer and smoother. With the 305 km CLTC range and fast charging efficiency, so you will spend less time to charging and more time for driving. So how do you think the 2025 BYD Seagull Smart Edition? Do you like it? We are Mickey World Auto Trading, your most reliable trading partner in China. Mickey World, set sail!